this new fold with real origami paper, and you start out with the colored side down, and you fold the paper in half. Open it up, keeping that same side up. Fold this half in half, and fold this half in half. You want to be careful, make sure it goes right to that middle crease that you already made. You're going to unfold both of those and turn your paper over, and if you did it correctly, you should have 3 mountains. The next fold you want to do is your pinch fold. Pinch up one of the mountains on the end, and you pull it over till it lines up with that center mountain. And there's all kinds of stuff going on underneath that you'll feel with your fingers, and you just let it. And you crease. You turn it around the other way, and you do the same thing. You take this mountain, and you bring it over to the center. Again, you have fluffiness or bunchiness or something underneath of there. And you just crease all that flat. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing to each of these halves. You're going to take this side, you're going to fold it in half so that the white side is up, and it goes about to your middle, but really what you're lining up is this edge over here. Unfold that, and now you fold this half in half, and you roll it over. Crease everything flat. Turn it around the other way. Fold this half over towards the middle. You're folding this piece approximately in half. Unfold it, and then take this little flap here. You're folding it in half right up to the crease that you just made. And you're folding that 4 stripes. You turn your paper over. Take your upper left corner, you pick up all the parts, and you fold it so that the side lines up with the bottom. That's called a 45-degree fold. And one little square of paper stays there in the corner. Do the same thing with the bottom right corner. Again, that little square stays there. For the next fold, it's best if you use a library card or an ID card. And what you want to do is make a crease that goes from one corner to the other. So I line my card up, start to fold the paper up against it, make that crease hard from corner to corner. Crease it. All you have left to do at this point is close the gap on this side and the other side. Unfold, fold it so it lines up, turn it over, close that gap, unfold, fold so it lines up. Once you have finished folding this piece, you want to put it someplace that's going to flatten it. So I would suggest you put it inside the back of a book or under a stack of books. You need 12 pieces like this to finish the origami cube. Once you have 2 pieces done, you can start to see how it goes together. Every piece has 2 flaps. That's this little end here and this little end here. And every flap goes into a pocket. Every piece has 2 pockets. The pocket is this big end under here, and going in from the small direction to the big direction, it's this big end under here. So to start to put it together, you just take a flap and slide it into a pocket, and you can see how that's going to start to be the corner of a cube. So if you wanted to put the next piece in here, you would take a flap, and that flap would need to go into this pocket, and then this flap right here is going to tuck into the pocket of the piece that you put on that side. There's no color pattern to follow on this one. You can put them together however you want to. So once you have that first cube together, you're so close to the end because now you only have to fold 132 more pieces.